Your body's calling me, I can hear it scream. So let me please you.
Happy Valentine's Day, cuties. Love is in the air. So today we are going to create a Valentine's Day look. If you're going on a date with your boyfriend or your man, or going out with your girls, or staying in and you still want to do some pretty makeup for Valentine, this video is for you. Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Patra. If you're new, thank you for subscribing. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So today it's all about Valentine makeup, so let's get into it. I feel like most people in a relationship don't like the idea of a Valentine because they said that Valentine should be every day, not just one day, which I definitely agree. But I feel like Valentine, you should go the extra mile, right? Is it just me? Is it because I'm single I'm saying that? But I still think that Valentine should every day, because what do you mean not being romantic and it's just one day in a year going to be romantic? Ugh, please. And the girls who are single like me, what are you gonna do for Valentine? Anything special? Are you going out with your friends? Are you staying in? Are you having like a self-care day for yourself? What are you doing? Because I know that Valentine is on Friday, which means everyone is going to be working because I'm working. Comment down what you'll be doing, if you're doing anything special. Are you traveling? Are you staying in? Are you having like a sexy time? Let me know. I have drawn my eyebrows and concealer it, and time for my foundation. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Matte Foundation. I like to use my flat brush to apply the foundation, and while I'm applying my foundation, I like to clean my eyebrows with the foundation. When I say cleaning up my eyebrows, I mean cleaning any harsh lines from the concealer around my brows. Then I go in with my beauty blender to take off any excess foundation. Next, I'm using Made by Mitchell Cuff Case and in the color Chocolate Charm. I'm applying the contour on my forehead, my cheekbones, my nose, and my jawline. Next, I'm going to apply concealer under my eye. By the way, I'm using a new concealer and it's the H&B concealer. I used to use the LA Girl Pro concealer, but I wanted to try something different, so I found H&B concealer. I'm using this soft focus airbrush concealer to give me that full coverage. I'm applying my concealer underneath my eye, my nose, my chin, and above my lips. While we wait for our concealer to settle down, let me give you guys something. So for us girls who are single and your plan is to watch a good drama, I recommend you watching Korean drama. I love Korean drama because the romance is just so different from Western romance. I'm sorry, no one can make me hate K-drama romance. I feel like it's top tier. Yes, it's delusional, yes, it's this, but at least it takes you through the stages of falling in love, which I love. Why I feel like in Western one is like boy meets girl, the kiss, they decide to have sex, they then decide to start a relationship kind of thing. But anyways, if you're looking to watch some Korean drama, here is some Korean drama to watch. I recommend Crash Landing on You. Actually, hold on a second. Let me pull up my K-drama list. Okay. I'm going to recommend 5 Korean drama for you. Let me see. I have loads of recommendation. I feel like everyone have watched this. Like if you haven't watched it, go watch it. One of my favorite romance is Crash Landing on You. I always say this to my friend that if I have a man, I want them to watch Crash Landing on You because that's how I want to be treated. The next one is It's Okay, That's Love. I feel like people could confuse this. There is It's Okay, That's Love, and It's Okay Not to Be Okay. So I'm talking about It's Okay, That's Love. That drama, My Love Probably Star is actually a good one. It's such a classic. It's an old drama, but it's a classic. I'm sorry, if you haven't watched it, go watch it. There's another one called Moon Embracing the Sun. This is a historical drama, so if you don't mind watching historical drama, I actually like it because our favorite guy, our favorite actor is there. Rooftop Prince is also a good one. It's a comedy romance. I feel like you would laugh more, but we need some laughter, okay? We need some laughter. Oh, Suspicious Partner. Suspicious Partner is a good one. Oh, the romance, yes, baby. Another one is called Casa Amor, exclusive for the ladies. Like you have to watch it in the illegal website because I don't think they do that in Netflix because this drama is good. It's funny. It's really funny. Another romance drama I love is called Big. So if you watch Squid, I am sure you know of Gonyu. He was the main cast in Big. Oh my gosh, the romance. I feel like people need to actually watch older Korean drama, like dramas in 2014, 15, 16, 2012 were actually, for me, I think they were really good and they had a good storyline. Another one is called Touch Your Heart. I really like that drama. I feel like it's super cute. Another one is I Need Romance Part 3. So if you just want like a Korean comedy, straight up laughing drama, I really recommend The Sound of Your Heart. This drama is super funny. I think I prefer season 1 better than season 2. The last one I recommend for you is Something in the Rain. Hope you check out the dramas and you love it. If you're a K-drama fan like just like me and you want to recommend other dramas for the girlies, comment down some of your favorite dramas below. Let's get back into the makeup.
Normally, I would just go with my beauty blender to blend, but I've seen people use brush to blend in their concealer and I wanted to try it to see if it actually makes any difference. Please do remember to like, share and subscribe while you're watching.
I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did. 'Cause now
Taking in the same Made by Michi Cuff case, I'm going to use the two blushes.
adore me. Go ahead now. Adore me. Adore me.
Sometimes I do use eyeshadow as a blush. This is just to bring out the color of the previous blush I've applied before.
Remember in my previous video I said I was going to buy a new eyeshadow palette because I've been using this, my old one from Morphe since 2000 and I don't know if it's 17 or 18, but a friend bought it for me for my birthday and I know that you're not supposed to use a product for too long, but I don't know about eyeshadow. And I got a new one. I got this palette. I got this Morphe Party Crusher palette and I also got another one from Beauty Bay. It's like a neutral tone. I think this was like that Christmas New Year collection. I really love the color. Let me show you. Just look at these colors. So pretty. Like, I don't know, can you see that? So fucking pretty. Let's make a Valentine look with this eyeshadow color palette.
Before applying the eyeshadow, I'm brightening my eyelid by applying concealer on it. I only applied a little bit concealer and not a lot of it. Now I'm trying to apply the eyeshadow. I'm going in with the lilac color first and I'm going to apply this on my top part of my eye. Now time for the chrome color. I'm going to apply this at the bottom part of my eyelid. Going in again, this time with the same color, but I'm using my fingers to apply it. I just felt like the brush was not really doing much. Black pencil for my waterline, mascara, eyeliner from e.l.f. Since the lashes I'll be using is quite dramatic, I want to keep the liner really thin.
I did an inner corner highlighter and I used the same eyeshadow. I used this one and just put that in corner of my eye, like so. I feel like this is giving like dark dark makeup, and I wanted it to be light and cutesy, but it's not giving that.
For the lip combo, I start with a brown pencil. Normally, I always use the same pencil I use with my eyebrow, but this is a lighter brown. And then going in with a black pencil. Then I'm applying this purple shimmery lip gloss I got from Superdrug years ago, I think. Going back to my Murphy palette, I really love that color, and I'm applying it again on my lips. And then a pink lip gloss from Rimmel London. Another lip gloss from Fenty Beauty. I'm using the same color again as a highlight on my nose and my cheeks. I also applied it underneath my eyebrows for highlight as well.
Fuck! Oh, I can't believe I forgot to set my makeup! Anyways. Mommy, I can't believe this. Anyway. See if I can just, take a little bit and just go over my nose. Like, who doesn't love makeup? Seriously, who doesn't love makeup? Because I do.
Okay cuties, this is the finished look. What do you think about it? I really think this is so pretty. Comment down if she ate or not. Anyways, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.